Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can transfer the videos and files from this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to the laptop. And if you can see, you should have C-type to C-type port cable, which will be given with this package. So at one end, I inserted the C-type to my computer or laptop. Most of the recent laptops will have this C port. If not, you need to use a connector. Okay, and the other end at the back side, you'll have this what is this port. You need to just connect here. See, I just inserted the C-type port at the back side, and now I'll be turning on this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. As soon as I do that, it will ask like file transfer, so I need to select file transfer. So I didn't give anything, so it directly took file transfer as the default option. If not, just touch it here on the file transfer. See here, you need to reach to this PC on your computer, this PC, and the USB drive E, whatever the means. If you have already E, it will be showing you something like USB drive some name. Okay, tap on this and click on the DCIM. What I'll do is I'll sort here. I'll be opening this folder. I'll be clicking on details, then I'll be sorting by type here. So yeah, yes, I'll just copy this both here. I'll be copying and I'll reach to one of the folders on my internal storage of the computer. Maybe I can just save there. Okay, here I can just paste out. So this is how you can copy files, that may be audio or video files, from DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to your computer. And I have inserted the memory card here, which is 128 GB. If you want those details, you can check in the description for the unboxing and other details. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.